Hey guys, it's your girl, Four Wheel Fitness, and I am here with your fourth beginner skate fitness tutorial for our roller skate to liberate month of June, where we're learning all about human trafficking. So we've already worked our way through 3 lessons, and for the 4th lesson, we are going to work on something that is actually one of the first things I usually start with, which is just balancing on one foot. So what we're going to do is just stand with our feet together, and if you're new to this, if you've never balanced on one foot on your skates, what I want you to do with your right foot is simply just go up onto your front axle or your front 2 wheels up in the front. So just kind of point your toe so that you're off of your back 2 wheels. And then slowly what I want you to do with comfort and time is I want you to remember that puppet string. I want you to take that foot and pull the toe up and the knee up towards you as far as you can. So if you're a beginner and you're here and you can get here and balance for 30 seconds, or if you are advanced and you can get all the way up here or even go in for a hold, you can see that I am still really challenging my edges right now on my left foot, but start where you can. And these are just a regular front knee lift balance. So I'm getting used to being in that soft knee on my left. So remember, keep that knee soft on that skate that's on the ground. And remember, puppet string. So you're lifting it up and out in front of you while you're curving your toe up in the front as well. So you're gonna really feel it in your quads, you're gonna feel it in your shins and your ankles, but you're gonna do it on the left side as well. So remember, if you're new to this, start on your front axle or your front 2 wheels. And then as you feel comfortable, slowly get that knee out in front of you. And you're gonna feel your foot moving around a little bit. So that's why you wanna start slow. Start here. And as soon as you start feeling that skate move on your right foot, start feeling your edges and what your foot's doing to just stay grounded and stay stationary. And then you can slowly work on lifting that knee up. Eventually you'll be able to get that knee out to the side. We'll be able to stretch it out. But for right now, we just want to focus on a good 30 seconds of, however high up you can get that your right and left knee while you're standing stationary on the other foot, trying to find those edges and dig them in. And remember guys, we're going out in front of us like a puppet. I should be able to just move my leg up and down once I'm completely comfortable in this move and still be able to remain stationary. But remember again too, it is okay to start here with your 30 seconds and work your way up slowly to that higher elevation with your knee. So there you go guys, lesson number 4. I hope that helps, and have fun out there. And guys, please visit Roller Skate to Liberate. Follow them, give them love, start watching the lessons, learn about human trafficking, and become an ally. Have a great day, guys.